Hey dolls, so today's video is going to be a random vlog. Today, as promised for my last haul video, I told you dolls that I'm going to be showing you me using the 𝗘𝗺𝘁𝗴𝗿 pink air fryer for the first time, as you can see in the background. I don't know how this is going to go. This could either be really bad, I might not know how to use it properly, I might make the worst chicken of my life, or I might make the best chicken of my life. We shall see. I don't know, I'm nervous to do this on camera for the first time. We're going to be doing this together, doll. So on that note, grab your coffee, grab your tea, make yourself comfortable, grab a snack, grab some wine, and let's get this video started. Let's go, dolls.
That is my dream. I just wanna be. It's what you make it. Always try to give.
I got my glasses on so I can read, looking intellectual. So dolls, before this video begins, you know I love the brand 𝗏𝗏. They sell roses, luxury roses, bouquet roses, the velvet boxes I have. Let me quickly show you it. These that you see here, these big roses that I always get sent by 𝗏𝗏, they now have candles. So you dolls. So as I was filming this vlog, this is what arrived. Just in time, my 𝗏𝗏 package was outside, so I have it here. I'm going to unbox it off camera, but this is my favorite company to work for, to receive PR from. They have the best flowers, as you can see here. They make the most amazing, breathtaking flowers, and these are real flowers. I have a discount code, and I'm going to have it across the screen, so you can use it at checkout and save money with me when you shop at 𝗏𝗏. This is, as you can see, it's pink. This just came in, so this is a new one I want you to see. This is the candle. I'm going to open this off camera, and then I'll show you how it looks like. But I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Their stuff is really fast shipping. I can't wait. Their company's just luxury. That's why I love it. It's literal luxury, and it makes amazing gifts, as I always say. Girls, look at this candle. It is so huge. It's so heavy. I was scared I was going to break it because it's so heavy. It looks so luxurious, and you can smell it right when you take it out the box. Like, I haven't even lit them yet. Look at the logo. Look at that gold detail. It is so gorgeous. 𝗏𝗏 did their thing, starting a candle line. It literally smells amazing. This is how the top of it looks, and they don't try to like skimp. Look how much candle you're getting. Like, look at all the wax. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Like, I love their candle line. The packaging is really pretty, as you can see. This will make such an amazing gift. This is huge. Look how big it is next to the flowers. It's really huge. It's heavy. It's so heavy that I don't like holding it up. I just want to leave it. It's really, really gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm going to light it up. So the scent I got is White Pearls. I actually asked them to surprise me because I didn't know which one to pick. There's so many amazing scents they have, and it was just so hard. So I told them, basically, I like a gardenia smell, I like a floral smell, I like a very powdery smell. And this is me in a candle. Like, if I was a candle, that's what I'll be. If I was a flower, this is how I look. So they go so well together. Like this, if you get these two, this is a really, really good gift for someone for their birthday, for like your mum, for like a bridal shower gift, something like that. It's just such a thoughtful, luxurious gift. If you don't know what to get someone, definitely check out the whole brand of 𝗏𝗏. They are luxury. Like, whenever you give this to someone, any of their stuff, you're gonna get, like, especially these two together, like, this is a really, really thoughtful gift. It's luxury. Like, it's just gorgeous. I get so many compliments on my flowers. So definitely check out their candle line. Here's how it looks like lit up. I love it. It smells really amazing. I wish you can be here and smell it. It's definitely a must-have, especially as we have all the cozy seasons coming up. You want some really, really nice smelling candles. So check out 𝗏𝗏. I'm going to have them linked down below, pinned in the comment section, and I'm also going to have the coupon code across the screen and also pinned in the comment section, so you can save at checkout. Check them out for the flowers as well. You would love it. It lasts over a year. It looks gorgeous. They go so well together. I'm obsessed with it, and they have other colors if you want to check it out. But you know me, I'm always going to show you some pink pretty stuff. So that's that. It smells really, really good, and I'm going to be having that burning pretty much all day now. I love it. Dolls, this is how it looks like in my living room. It's so perfect. Just wanted to show you. It's perfect. Love it. Love it. So dolls, check out 𝗏𝗺 Check out their candle line, their new candle line that just launched. Their candles smell amazing. It's literal luxury. If you want some luxury in your home, get their candles. The packaging is amazing. The scent is amazing. It's worth every single penny. And I have a discount code for you, which I'm going to have across the screen. And I'm going to also pin it in the comment section down below so you can save on 𝗏𝗺. So if you don't get the flowers, definitely try their candles. It's amazing. So the first thing we're gonna need is the box, because we're gonna need to look at the manual so I can know what I'm actually doing. So I'm gonna like read through the manual. That's the first thing. So I'm gonna get the manual out and I'm gonna try and understand how to use this because I am just nervous. So this is really interesting. So here it is. There's a saying that black people don't read manuals, like, and it's true. I never read manuals. We've got to do better. We've got to start reading this stuff. Like, obviously someone's going to comment, not all black people. It's a saying and it's true. Like, we just don't read stuff. Like, we just try to like figure it out, and it works. Like, it actually works. Sometimes you don't need to sit there reading the manual, but like for this, because it's an electronic, I really need to read it and figure out how to use it so we don't mess up this chicken. But yeah, and this is a universal black people thing, because this is the black people in the UK, this is the black people in America, this is the black people in Africa. Like, every kind of black person I've encountered in my life, the Caribbeans, no one seems to like reading manuals, and I know this. So we only read it when there's an issue and we revert back to the manual. Like, we're like, okay, we need to actually go and read that thing. You know what? Here's the thing. I'm more of a visual person, so I need to watch a video. Like, I prefer watching a video and watching them put something together than me sitting reading it. I just don't want to read it because I'm a visual person. So that's just me personally. But anyway, let's get started. I'm so nervous. I'm like delaying the process. So one thing I do know about this air fryer is that some people put parchment paper. Some people say don't put parchment paper. Some people don't put foil. Some people say don't put foil. I'm not going to put anything. I think people just do that because they're just too lazy to wash the actual air fryer. So I'm not going to put anything. It means I'm going to have a cleanup at the end, but that's fine. But comment down below, what do you put on your air fryer and what works for you? And let me know in the comment section down below. And if it's parchment paper, let me know the exact brand you use, because I don't want to burn my kitchen down in the process of using an air fryer. So let me know what works for you. Or do you do the cleanup? Do you end up cleaning your air fryer after and just like not using any kind of thing on there? Let me know. I want to know what you guys do with your air fryer. So without further ado, let's go over there. I've been avoiding it because I'm so nervous, and I shouldn't be nervous, but let's see how this turns out. Let's go. So I don't know if you're meant to put like olive oil. I just want to put a little bit because I love olive oil on my chicken. I don't know if that defeats the point of having an air fryer. If you're using any kind of oil, let me know. But I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on there and put my basic seasoning and see how this turns out. But I don't know if you're meant to use olive oil in an air fryer. So I have my seasoning here. I have my raw chicken. I have all the seasoning, salt, pepper, and the things that I'm going to put in it, and the olive oil. So I'm going to put them in this mixing bowl and just like mix everything up. Probably going to do that off camera because I just hate touching raw chicken and I just want to concentrate and get it done. So I'm going to put all of these in here. First wash my chicken and then put all of them inside there, and then put the seasoning, and I'll show you like all the seasoning I'm using in there. Finally get to use my Paris scissors to cut this open. So they just come in handy, like they're just so pretty. So if you watch the whole video, you'll see this is also part of her collection. So I'm going to just cut this open and then put those, do everything I just said I was going to do. So I have washed my chickens. So they're nice and washed and ready. I am now going to add some salt, like a little bit of salt, not too much. I'm trying to cut like down on salt intake. I'm going to use my extra virgin olive oil, just, you know, to just give it some, you know, and then all my seasonings that I have here. So I'm just going to put them all in right now. Olive oil. I think that should be, oops, that's way too much. And I have these that I showed in my whole video. I've not put the olive oil in these yet because I can't wait to like use it like this. Like I can't wait to have fun using it like that. But I've just not had the energy to like add this in yet. But I do have these for my olive oil. So I'm going to add all the seasoning in now. We've got some seasoning. Some of this. Wait, here it is. This tastes really good. I love my Jamaican curry powder, so that's definitely going in there. I just love the way it makes chicken look, the colouring. That's really what I love. Some salt. And about 2 Maggi cubes. I don't think I need 4, but 2 Maggi cubes. These are so hard to open. All seasoned, so I guess we're going to start now the hard process. Before we start, I'm actually going to have to roll my sleeves up and touch this raw chicken to get all the seasoning in. So I hate touching chicken. If you know me, you know this fact. I do not like touching anything raw. I don't know if you're like me, comment in the comment section. I just don't like raw stuff. It's just so disgusting. Like, it's just... Sometimes I want to become a vegetarian because of this, touching it. Like, I don't know. It's just very wild. But yeah, I'm going to do this off camera because I need 2 of my hands to like really get in there. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. If I had like a French tip, my whole nails would be stained. So I'm glad I have red nails. My nails will literally look yellow. Why am I so nervous? Okay, we have to start this. We have to... Seasoning looks really, really good. Look at me deflecting. The seasoning actually looks really good, like ready to go in. I did that. I did my thing. Okay, so here's the fun part. Okay, so I think I leave this down here, right? I think so. Okay, so I've already put some in. I'm nervous. This is gonna be really interesting. I don't want to use my fingers because, as I said, I don't like touching raw meat or anything raw. I just don't like it. So I'm just going to load them all in there really quickly. So I've loaded as much as I can fit inside this tray. There's still more. I have like 4 more left, but this fit quite a lot of them in here. So I'm now going to, here's the moment of truth. Here we go, dolls. So I did fit quite a lot of them on here. I am now going to start the process. Oh my God. Okay, so we are now closing this. I've turned it on over there. Here we go. Okay, so I have turned the screen on. It has all of these. It doesn't look that hard. It says reheat, pizza. So it's just simply like an oven. I'm going to do air fry. So I'm going to press air fry. I don't know what I'm pressing. So I'm going to do it on 400. I don't think we need it that high. And then, so it's on 400. I don't know if that's too high. We'll see how this goes. I'm just going to keep touching it and checking. By the way, because of that curry powder, look, I stained here a little bit. You can see like there's yellow. I hate the fact that curry powder gets everywhere. You can see it like even on here, like it's just so disgusting. I hate the way curry powder gets everywhere. So I don't know if it's on, but I'm gonna just keep touching and figuring out if it's on. But it pretty much has all the settings like an oven has. If you read it, it has air fryer, roast, broil, bake, reheat, keep warm, pizza. Does that say dehydrate? I don't know. But yeah, we're just gonna, and I didn't even read the manual. We're just gonna figure this out and fingers crossed, let's see how this comes out. It's on. So I put it for 31 minutes, just to be on the safe side. I don't know how to stop it. So you might see me yank the power out of the socket, but it's on, I can hear it. And let's see how it goes. So I'm just gonna put it away. The chicken smells good. I can kind of smell it like before I even put it in. The seasoning's really good, so I know it's gonna taste well. Let's just not consume raw chicken. But yeah, let's leave this to work and then hopefully we should be done soon. I don't know if it's meant to make any noise. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm doing. This is all, we're doing this together for the first time, dolls. I don't know. See, the screen has gone off. I don't know if it's even making any, I don't know. Dolls, can you hear that? I don't know if we're doing this right, but it looks like it's getting kind of hot. So I'm just gonna let that do its magic. So I think we have 9 minutes left, 8. It's about to be done. It's really hot. Like if you're here, you can feel this is so hot. Like this is warm. It feels really good. So we are about to be done. I think it's gonna say 7. No, still 8. I'm so tempted to open it. It smells good. Like my whole apartment smells like really good chicken. I can't wait. This is gonna be life-changing. 7. Countdown begins. I just can't wait to see what's gonna happen, if it's gonna make this loud sound or something. I'm anticipating what it's gonna do. 2 minutes. 1 minute left. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. The end. It's done. The end. Let's see how this goes. This is gonna make a big sound. I'm anticipating a loud sound, but it's done. I think I can open it. Can I? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, it's a very peaceful sound. Moment of truth has begun. Here's the chicken. Looks delicious. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks delicious. Dolls, you can't tell me this chicken doesn't look really, really good. This looks juicy. Oh my God, that looks really, really good. Like I love how that came out. Seriously, I'm just like obsessed with how this looks. It came out really, really good and crispy. I think I'm gonna flip it over and get that side done a bit more. Or I don't know whether to leave it, but I feel like we're done. Like it looks really, really good. Dolls, look at this. I love it. Came out so juicy and perfect. I'm impressed. I'm making some more. But seriously, first time, not bad. Not bad at all. I love it. Look at the texture of that. So juicy. So juicy. So I'm making more of them right now, but I'm just impressed. Like I love how it turned out for my first time, and I was scared of doing this. Look at those. They look so, so, so juicy. So the chicken came out really, really good. Where has an air fryer been my whole life? Like I am now an air fryer girl. An air fryer girlie is what I am now. Like I encourage all of you to get one. I'm going to be cooking everything on there. Like I was doubting myself, but that came out better than how I feel like I make chicken with the oven. I love it. Fried chicken taste without frying actual chicken. I'm sold. Like I'm really, really impressed. I never thought I'd be able to make that right the first time round. Like it's so easy to use. I highly, highly, highly recommend you get one of these dolls. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Everything's going to be cooked on there now. Dolls, so we are done. I love my chicken. Thank you so much for watching this video, dolls. At the end of every video, we have a secret emoji. If you're new to my channel, we always do this. We comment it in the comment section down below. It helps me know who has been watching to the end of the video. And because we made some chicken today, today's chicken. Today's secret emoji, I said chicken. Today's secret emoji is going to be the chicken emoji, the chicken legs, because we did chicken legs. So comment the chicken leg emoji in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, dolls, I love you dolls with all my heart. And I will see you dolls in my next video. Smooches. Bye dolls, love you. Get yourself an air fryer. Bye dolls.